health and the law, and one of them, the topic.
Grancia Mbarara, mukuru w'ibiragiro hitendekere rya Mbarara University School of Law, nuwe yahayo kwigoku agumize ngo bashangire hakireho bituri cyahika okufuto mu nkora ibiragiro.
For example, if a suspect comes before you, do you look at them first as a suspect or first as a human being?
Mbarara yahayo kwigoku buyaba nagambira bebembezi ahandengo zitari zimwe na zimwe abaryo mu offices rukutebiragiro omunkora aha mukoro gwabaha Oxford Hotel.
So there's that need to develop that human rights lens to look at the suspect as a human being first before you get to before you get to see what they have done.
Sometimes the safe custody becomes unsafe one, unsafe custody. Where you find that people are either beaten or mistreated.
Abantu bagira ngo batandikireho nkora erukuza kwetorora ihanga ryona kwegesa bebembezi offices zitari zimwe na zimwe na bamwe kubarabase kukozesa je offices zabo batateganise abantu abarukwebembera.
This dialogue started off in Kampala. Yesterday we were in Masaka, today we are here in Mbarara, and from the feedback we've received, yes, the officers, the different stakeholders realize that although the laws are in place, there are still issues to do with implementation, and on top of that, there's still a need to strengthen capacity building and sensitization, especially at the grassroots levels.
For example, if I was given an opportunity to go to my colleagues in uniform, and you're talking about the HIV workplace policy, what will that harm? It doesn't harm. By the time I leave, there will be information shared.
Omuganda makuru bakuru b'amashomero bashabwa okutahenteka nungi ezarayorekere okureta hentunguka ebyagambwa mukuru w'ekitongore ekya Uganda Research Institute kandi mukuru wa board ya Ntare School Professor Charles Kwesiga obuyabakurira omukoro ogwo kwakira headmaster musya w'ishomereri.
Students should be sensitized that they have objectives and obligations. They should concentrate on their books. Strikes don't add value to their lives.
That is so good.
Sauro Rwamporo nuwe yakwasabwe bikwato nka headmaster w'11 w'ishomereri kandi ogunazo mbigere bya gimetu rya agenda obira mazire myaka 10 arukwebembera ishomereri rya Ntare School.
Umwana wa Mporo tumanya ahakoze kandi akayakozera tumaho n'umuntu ukugenda na results nawe cyo kisimana kandi tukamazi twihire ku supporting umuko tereze mche y'abana kwenda abana bagira imicumi mungi
aronka life skills kugamba umwana ko ni washoma katuje nuje kubuta urubyo bisho wasa kwibisaho wasa kugira kanto ko wakora ukamenya ibintu nobaho konka binje nakuye ati namwe nje kutwara umwana wanje kuri haruraga amashuri bitakunda kugamba naje ati ishomero keyi nakoza yo ya private ko kutayo umwana ayo 20 agenda 20 n'unji konko mwana wini 20 na wota manyirice ukwakushoma wota mukuratiruka mu kwa kuteka nuko atumwana ine 20 konka kuretse injaga
kandi no kwiga ubwo musyo wija ngo nawe ayongereho kukirwa ubwakwiha azombigerebye akore byabaye nakora nangwa akizeho no kukizaho Mutare egumene sound
planning akurira kongeraho proxezin za demonstration block ndo kashanga twine yamana tukayiburaga office kandi na academics ka improving kashanga bana bona no passing on grade 1 yamana so ni zakoraga nabantu bona bishanyiro mwishomere ndebuke ngo Mutare yagera kimwe gahibo.
Gasha kwa Abdukarim Sengendo na Acheza.